Hello all, welcome to Dive to Learn. This is Sonu Agrawal Todi and we are doing People and Environment Practice Questions. इससे पहले हम लोगों ने 9 parts इसके कर चुके practice questions के. This is the 10th part and I'd like to tell you before I start, Dive to Learn app is now available in Play Stores. You all can download it there and our WhatsApp number is in the description, so you all can just WhatsApp us for your queries. Okay, so let us start. Before this, we have done 135 questions. This is the 136 question. Sorry for that. Notations ho gaya. Which of the natural hazards have big effects on Indian people each year? That is flood, because it is marked. So I will just give it here. Comparative environment impact assessment study is to be conducted for the whole year, 3 seasons excluding monsoon, any 3 season, the worst season. So किस season में या किस time पे comparative environment impact assessment study किया जाता है? We have to find out that answer from these options. Whole year, 3 seasons in excluding monsoon. Monsoon को छोड़ के कोई भी 3 season, any 3 seasons or the worst season, and the correct answer is it's the whole year. Okay. Sea level rise results primarily due to heavy rainfall, melting of glaciers, submarine volcanism, or sea floor spreading. So what is the reason sea level का उठ जाना? And the result is melting glaciers. Okay. Next question. The plume rise is in a coal-based power plant depends on कोयले आधारित बिजली संयंत्रण में बढ़ोतरी किस पर निर्भर करता है? This is the question. Okay, and the answers, the options are buoyancy, the force that causes objects to float, atmospheric stability, momentum of exhaust gases. Now, gases. Identify the correct codes. Which one are these from these? Which one is the correct answer? कि कोयला बिजली से आधारित कोयले से आधारित बिजली संयंत्र को बढ़ोतरी किसके ऊपर निर्भर किया जाता है? You have to answer that. And the correct option here we have is amongst these codes we have to find the correct option, and the correct option is this B. That is 2 number, atmospheric stability, and 3 number, that is momentum of exhaust gases. Okay, because of this बिजली का नियंत्रण बढ़ जाता है. December 2006 में ये क्वेश्चन आया था. The most significant impact of volcanic eruption has been felt in the form of change in weather, sinking of islands, loss of vegetation, extinction of animals. So mostly सबसे ज़्यादा डरावना जो इम्पैक्ट पड़ा है वोल्केनिक इरप्शन से, ज्वालामुखी के फटने से, तो क्या है? चेंज इन वेदर, सिंकिंग ऑफ आइलैंड, लॉस ऑफ वेजिटेशन, एक्सटिंक्शन ऑफ एनिमल्स. आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा करेक्ट ऑप्शन होना चाहिए? दिस इज चेंज इन द वेदर इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके. Next, with absorption and decomposition of carbon dioxide in ocean water beyond desired level, there will be decrease in the temperature, increase in salinity, growth of phytoplankton or rise in the sea level. आपको कौन सा लगता है सही आंसर होना चाहिए? अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड डिकम्पोजिशन ओशन वाटर में ज़्यादा होता है तो क्या चीज़ हो जाएगा? बढ़ जाएगा लेवल से ज़्यादा, क्या चीज़ बढ़ जाएगा? एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी योर ग्रोथ ऑफ फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स. ओके, दैट विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Arrange column 2 in proper sequence so as to match it with column 1 and choose the correct answers from the code given below. So यहाँ पे हमारे column 1 में है water quantity and pH value है हमारे column 2 में. ठीक है, तो हमें column 2 को properly match करना है column A से, so that हमें correct answers मिल सके. And the codes are given here. हमें यहाँ से अपना answer choose करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. First is water quality, neutral, moderately acidic, alkaline, injurious. These are the quality of water and the pH value is 5, 7, 4 and 8. तो हमें इसको मैच करना है. तो कौन सा सही मैच होगा हमें यहाँ से सही ऑप्शन या सही कोड चूज करके बताना है. तो सही कोड होगा आपका C number. Okay, this is the correct option. That is neutral. मतलब क्या होगा? Neutral is always 7. Okay, then moderately acidic means 5, that has 5 pH value. Then alkaline has the highest pH value, that is 8, and injurious, that is has the lowest pH value, that is 3. Got it? So this is the correct answer for your question. Okay. Next question. The maximum emission of pollutants from fuel sources in India is caused by ज़्यादा भारत में ईंधन स्रोतों से प्रशोधक उत्सर्जन के कारण होते हैं कोल, फायरवुड, रिफ्यूज बर्निंग, वेजिटेबल वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स। तो किस चीज से ईंधन स्रोत का प्रदूषक या पोल्यूटेंट्स ऑफ फ्यूल इमर्शन होता है भारत के अंदर, इंडिया के अंदर, एंड दैट इज कोल। ऑब्वियसली जब कोयला जलाते हैं तो ज्यादा प्रदूषक उत्सर्जन होता है। The urbanization process accounts for the wind in the urban centers during night to remain. The urbanization process accounts for the wind in the urban centers during night to remain is options आपके हैं faster than that in the rural areas, slower than that in the rural areas, same as that in the rural areas, and cooler than that in the rural areas. तो आपको कौन सा लगता है सही आंसर है? It is A, that is faster than that in the rural area. Urbanization, cities में, शहरों में विंड का जो प्रोसेस अकाउंट प्रोसेस होते हैं उसको नाइट टाइम में रूरल एरिया से ज्यादा करवाने के लिए ये किया जाता है। ओके, प्रोसेस अकाउंट किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2006 में आया गया था, वाटर इज ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्व्ड विथ लैंडस्लाइड्स। ठीक है, जब भी कहीं पे भी लैंडस्लाइड होता है वाटर वहां पे इन्वॉल्व होता है। दिस इज बिकॉज इट रिड्यूसेस द shear strength of rocks, increases the weight of the overburden, enhances chemical weathering, is a universal solvent. So which one do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is reduces the shear strength of rocks. Okay, because landslide में जब rocks को strength कम हो जाता है तभी तो landslide होता है ना, इसी वजह से the correct option will be A, that is reduces the shear length of rocks. Which is the smallest northeast state in India? Which is the smallest northeast state in India? That is Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Manipur. Amongst this, which is the correct option? The correct option is Tripura. Okay. Next question. The Tamil Nadu coastal belt has drinking water shortage due to high evaporation. Sorry for that. Seawater flooding due to tsunami, over-exploitation of groundwater by tube wells, seepage of seawater. So what do you think? Tamil Nadu coastal belt has drinking water shortage because of which of the reasons given here? And the correct reason is seepage of seawater. Next question. While all rivers of peninsular India flow into the Bay of Bengal, Narmada and Tapti flow into the Arabian Sea. Because these two rivers flow the slope of these rift valleys, the general slope of the Indian peninsula is from east to west. The Indian peninsula north of the Satputra range is titled towards the west. The Indian peninsula south of the Satpura range is titled towards the east. So which one do you think is the correct option? The correct option is number A, that is it flows the slope of these rift valleys. Wherever the rift valleys are sloping, ये वहीं पे flow करता है. Okay, and the next question. Soil is in the Mahanadi Delta are less fertile than those in the Godavari Delta. Why? What is the reason? Because erosion of topsoils by annual floods, inundation of land by seawater, traditional agricultural practices, the derivation of alluvial soil from red soil hinterland. So which one do you think? Mahanadi Delta का जो land है, soil है वो less fertile है than that of the Godavari Delta. Why do you think? What is the reason behind that? Because it is always the erosion of the top layer of the soil. जो flood आता है हर साल उससे top layer soil जो फर्टाइल रहता है वो उसको बगा के ले जाता है, बहा के ले जाता है, इसीलिए this happens. Okay, Mahanadi Delta is not so fertile. Now 150 assertion. A, Aerosols have potentials for modifying climates. Reason: aerosols interact with both short waves and radiations. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false, and A is false, but R is true. So, which option do you think here is the correct one? And the correct option is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, so this is the answer for these questions. Thank you. Thank you, and don't forget to download Dive to Learn app from Play Store, and our WhatsApp number is given in the description. You can WhatsApp us for your queries. Thank you.